I'll drive.
Something like 20 motherfucking minutes.
Good to go.
Ready? Open fire.
I copy.
Got a call to the rebels for...
Got it.
Copy. A fire team has been sent to your 20.
Watch your step. These guys know something's up. Scratch one.
Fucking hell!
Sin balas, carajo.
We're in a target-poor environment.
Tango's fucking down.
Clear on this side.
We got a 20 in the garage where Polito parks his sports car. We snag that, we snag his GPS. Maybe something there tells us where he and his girlfriend are. Hold up. There's a weapons case here. I asked the rebels to send over a vehicle for us.
Okay, we got your helicopter.
I got it. I'll fly.
We've got a location on El Polito's personal car. Steal it, so our techs can analyze the car's GPS for intel.
The garage. Sound off if you spot Polito's car.
Roger that.
Ready? Fire, fire, fire!
Copy.
Call Pacatory for some reinforcements.
Ah, shit. We've been spotted. Opening fire on these fuckers. Watch your fucking fire!
There it is. Eyes on Polito's car. This gives the position of a rebel radio station that just needs a kick to get moving again.
Let's get out there and jumpstart that fucker. He's down.
That's it, we're clear. This car is swanky. And there's a bloody condom in the glove box. Make that 2 bloody condoms.
I guess that confirms it's Yuri and Polito's ride.
Even if the condoms come standard, it's a sweet fucking car.
I never could understand narco thing. You get an expensive whip, put chrome rims on it, then you just drive it around the same dusty towns you were driving around before.
You totally want one of these cars, don't you?
Fancy car, fancy suit, still the same street, so what's the point?
Air conditioning. All right, now it's up to Bowman and the activity. They'll check the car's GPS for locations where Yuri and Polito may be hiding out. I've got the bike. What's going on there?
I'm in. Let's roll.
Fire.
Copy that.
Opening fire.
¡Mierda! ¡Ya la madre! ¡Hay un putero de soldados chicos acá! ¡Mátenlo!
Oh, here we go. They've seen us. Escort car has been destroyed.
Tango's dead. No hostiles evident.
Objective secure. Let's clear out. We'll pass word to the rebels to come get the radio gear.
Escort vehicle destroyed. It's gonna blow.
Pakatari's got some brass ones, I'll give him that. Give that fucker an inch and he'll take a mile.
If he can get us to Yuri and Polito, it's worth it. Let's get it done.
Get away from there. Move!
Hang on, I'll drive.
Clear out. I'll meet you there.
Shit, they spotted us.
The RLT's making a run for it.
¡Órale, putos! ¿Qué cuentos se
Opening fire.
Target eliminated.
We're good. We all in one piece? This document mentions an Unidad captain who sends prisoners to Yuri and Polito for interrogations. He's got to know where our lovebirds are, but he's sitting in an Unidad firebase.
Pakatari's rebel movement is on the verge of defeat. If we help him turn things around, we'll be able to count on his support in the future.
Ask Pat Katari to send us a vehicle.
Here's your combat vehicle, amigo.
Dig in. The cartel's gonna hit this place hard once that transmission starts.
We got bad guys.
Bolivianos. Is it too much to ask
They're on
to be
alert.
able to raise our children without them lying awake every night listening to the sound of gunfire? Must we lie awake as well? Wondering if a stray bullet might come through their bedroom
Ready? Fire,
walls
fire,
and
fire!
take their
Our calls to the
clothes,
rebels for some reinforcements.
Got him. He's down.
Engaging hostiles.
take our country back. Bastards will find us. One way or
Get to cover. That thing's gonna explode. Sniper, get the fuck down.
you to know what things
The emitter can't take much
are
more.
not as bad as they seem under the heel of the cartel. While we still live, we can take back our land, take back our freedoms, take back nuestra patria. All we need to do is stand up against Santa Blanca and their drugs, their violence, and their blasphemous religion. Then, Bolivia can come together and stand up against Don't let these Santa Blanca monsters take another one of us without repercussions.
Broadcast complete. That should boost the rebels' morale.
Well done, compadres. My speech was heard all over Bolivia. It is only a matter of...
We could help. Now what have you got on Yuri and Polito?
Nothing yet, amigo. Those two, they cover their tracks well. But my people are working on it. We will know something soon. In the meantime, my revolutionary brothers in Itaqua stand ready to help if you need them. Just call, and they will come.
I'll keep that in mind.
Hang on, I'm coming.
Fucking hell. Coopere todo saldrá bien. You better start talking, asshole.
got you, Vato. Just don't tell nobody where you heard this shit.
No targets present. Target is down. Okay, we're still all right.
A captured rebel being held in the village of Colta might have valuable intel on Yuri and El Polito. Rescue him from the cartel and find out what he knows.
Hang back, they see you.
Me huele a puerco, chingado. Chingada madre, me huele a puerco. Todo tranquilo.
Haven't seen anything like this since I was in the sandbox.
Sandbags, barbed wire, observation posts. The rebels must be giving Cinder Block a hell. Bet these cartel assholes never done.
Hold on.
Going on.
Get ready. Fire. Called the rebels
Copy
for
that.
reinforcements.
Hey, abre la puerta, compa. Open the door.
That tango's down.
You okay, hermano?
What do you want from me?
Yuri and Polito, the fuckers who tortured you. We're here to make them pay for what they did. But we need to know where they took you.
We didn't travel far. I remember that much, and it was quiet. Out in the country somewhere. There was a smell, like old animal skins. That's all I know. I'm sorry.
It's all right. At least now we know they're close by. Gracias. That's it, we're clear. Hold up, there's a weapons case here. I've been wanting one of these.
Keep those weapons down. We want these people on our side.
I'll drive. I asked the rebels to send over a vehicle for us.
Better not roll this thing. Advance on the lodge. Stay alert. Move in. Watch those doorways and corners. This must be where Sandoval cashed in. Bowman said they kept him alive for 47 hours.
Tough son of a bitch held out for a long time.
I feel like he was waiting for us to come get him, and we're real fucking late. Time to make it right.
Who were you before you met me?
Mamacita, I was nobody. Nothing. I could not have even imagined a life so deep, a love so full as the love I have with you.
Oh, Gordo, I feel the same. I was half a person before I met you. I was a faded image, out of focus, until I could see myself through your eyes.
Damn. Just now when I was breaking that man's hands,
la chingada! Whoever the fuck you are, I'm gonna bleach you slow!
Yuri is down.
¿Qué chingados esperas? A partir de la madre con todo. Vamos a enseñarles quién manda. ¡Disparen!
Yuri and Polito have been terminated.
You know how in the movies people always act like revenge isn't satisfying? Like it doesn't make them feel any better?
Sure.
Well, I feel fucking great. Taking out that lovey-dovey horror show also earned us some points with the locals. Make contact when you find something new. Bowman out.